Heavily shorted Mara and CLSK stock were trending yesterday, the 28th of November 2025. Mara has a short interest of around 25%. CLSK has around 27%. Both of them are equally trading at a discount to their 52-week highs, especially Mara. Mara is trading at a discount that is more than 50%. Closed the session of yesterday, the 28th, at 11.87, a gain of 6.84%. And its 52-week high is around $27. So you do the maths, it's obviously more than 50%, more than a 50% discount. So yesterday's trading session was a shortened one. And on top of that, the futures, the CME group had disruptions as well. The futures went trading as well. So, but in any case, Mara and indeed CLSK, they all managed to eke out some gains. Okay, so the extrapolation, or rather before the extrapolation, the underlying trend on Mara stock is bearish, severely bearish. Okay, um, the bounce it picked up as of Friday, it was a Friday the 21st, is expected to remain in place up till the 4th of December. But it's not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average anytime soon. The extrapolation is saying that it might attempt to do so by early January. But all in all, from now till January, what the extrapolation is saying for Mara is just a volatile consolidation, okay, below its 40-day moving average. So in terms of projections, we have 18.17. That'll be good if we can retest that. That will help a lot. Okay, and the probability of it retesting 14.53, which is just where it got its support, yeah, as of the 12th of November, is statistically high. Okay, but it doesn't mean it's going to print. Okay, amongst other things, let's see now. This rejection here at 17.21, equally statistically very high as well, but it doesn't mean it's going to print as well. Um, 18.32, it got a rejection there on the 31st of October, equally statistically very high. Okay, in the at some point that they may, when Bitcoin recovers, they might it might the company might rather the stock might go ahead and retest those highs. Okay, let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that we are going to see a distributive contraction going in towards the 3rd of December. Then after that, the uptrend, the bounce it picked up on the 21st may resume, going all the way towards the 9th of December. Here, the projections are saying nothing as ambitious as what we have on the daily chart. Here we have a 12.77, 12.32, 11.60, and then 11.48. Okay, the stock was trending yesterday, as I indicated, and people dug into the company's management decision and future direction, while Bitcoin's volatility kept uncertainty high. A big chunk of the investing and trading community were frustrated or appeared frustrated with what they view as a leadership misstep, including missed opportunities to lean into the booming AI sector and building competitive advantages against peers. Some traders argue the company is lagging. The company's lagging performance doesn't make sense given the company's sizable Bitcoin holdings, fueling debates about whether the stock is simply undervalued or fundamentally stalled. Meanwhile, a more bullish crowd is watching short interest and speculating about a possible short squeeze, hoping the volatility could finally break Mara out of its slump. With emotions split between frustration and caution optimism, Mara remains a lightning rod in the mining space. CLSK. Okay, CLSK. Okay, more ambitious gain yesterday, 13.61%. Intraday high, $15.54. Let's see what we have. Okay, above average volume trade was traded yesterday. High beta stock, volatility is expected to moderate in the coming days. Okay, it was a big day, quite a big day yesterday for CLSK. Let's begin with its 4 hour chart. Okay, the extrapolation of its 4 hour on its 3 period moving average on this 4 hour chart is that high prices expected to keep printing going all the way towards the 9th of December. The 40 period moving average is also expected to keep rising to catch any to offer support to catch any dip that might occur. Okay, projections are currently saying 11.28, 9.28, 8.05, nothing to the upside, but indeed there are. We have one here, 15.48, just fractionally above the closing price. Let's see what we have here. We have 17.11, 18.28, 18.99. These are printed on the 11th of November. Even more ambitious projections as high as 21.80, 23.92, 25.24. Yeah, as of the 3rd of November. On this 4 hour chart, momentum is expected to remain elevated up till the close of Monday's trading session. That is Monday the 1st, and then after that is expected to decay. And by then, there's a chance that the stock might actually contract the expansion that has been in place since the 21st of November. And in doing so, it might actually drop below its 10 period moving average. No guarantee that will be the case as well. It's the momentum is not expected to pick up. Well, just not really sufficiently as such, but might begin to pick up somewhat by the 8th of December. Then the stock might cross over. The price of the stock might cross above its 10 period moving average again by Monday the 8th. Okay, that would be a week, roughly a week from Monday the 7th. Sorry, Monday the 1st of December. Let's see what we have on its daily chart and see. On the daily chart, I think the underlying trend might be slightly bullish to neutral. I think so. It might be slightly bullish to neutral here. The extrapolation is saying that the bounce is expected to remain in place and remain in place and sustained up till the 9th of January. Yeah, 9th of January. The 40-day moving average is expected to offer be a resistance. Is expected to be a resistance at least in the interim between now and the 17th, between now and the 18th of December. It's expected to trade within a very tight space. So a contraction is expected. Is expected from between now and the middle of December. So it might be volatile, but no, it's not expected that it's going to blow through its 40 period moving average. So a contraction is being enforced, is expected to be enforced by the 40 period moving average, while against the expansion of the continued expansion of its of the price itself. Okay, well we'll see how it goes. But after that, it might explode to the upside. Okay, yeah, we can see here the momentum might begin to pick up from the 12th of December. So we'll see. Um, the company is a lot more different. It has decided to go into the AI and the high performance computing space. Building out data centers. So traders are debating the potential for a short squeeze. And they are also coming through recent earnings, noting strong revenue growth and improved operational performance compared to other miners. And its pivot into high performance compute and energy efficient infrastructure is also drawing attention, especially as investors speculate about future AI related contracts. Some see its valuation as significantly undervalued, given its expansion pace and strategic position in the energy sector, with hype building around AI partnerships and an elevated short interest backdrop. So the stock is gaining serious momentum as a hybrid play on Bitcoin, energy, and AI computing. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.